What's up guys, George D here, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to play Landslide by Fleetwood Mac. We'll zoom in, I'll show you the chords and fingerpicking patterns. This is a great song to learn if you're looking to get into fingerpicking. And I also have some other videos as well on fingerpicking, including Never Going Back Again, also by Fleetwood Mac. There should be a link in the top right corner of this video. Also, thanks for subscribing to my channel. I have a lot of lessons planned and I'm excited to share them with you guys. And if this video helps you learn this song, be sure to hit the like button right down there. Without further ado, let's get into the song. Okay, so for this, I'll be referring to the chord shapes. I think it'll just make it easier for everyone. So this will be a C, this will be an A minor 7, and so on. So the intro and verse are made up of 4 chords. It's a C major, an E minor 7, an A minor 7, and a D with an F sharp bass. And we're going to be Travis picking those chords like this. Now we're going to be doing this through most of the intro and verse, and then towards the end of the verse, we're going to be adding in some hammer-ons and some high notes on the E and B string like this. And we're moving to that D with the F sharp bass to get ready for the chorus. Now the chorus is made up of a G major, a D with an F sharp bass, an E minor, a C major, an E minor 7, and a A minor 7. Now, in terms of the fingerpicking pattern, it's somewhat complex and he never does the same thing twice. So I'll play it at normal speed and then I'll slow it down so you can see what I'm doing. Feel free to rewind it as many times as you need to. It can take a little while to wrap your mind around. Here it is at normal speed. Now at the end of the chorus, you'll notice that he does an interesting little line that leads back in to the guitar solo section. Sounds like this. So. Now after that, it goes into the guitar solo. If you're interested in learning the guitar solo, I'll have another video up soon where I teach the live version. So make sure you hit the subscribe button so you know when it's up. Now in terms of chords for the solo section, it's just the same chords that we learned for the intro and verse. And then after that, it goes into the second chorus. So the second chorus uses the same chords as the first, and the fingerpicking pattern is largely the same until you reach the end of the chorus. Once we get there, you're really going to want to pay attention to what I'm doing with my fingerpicking hand. He starts doing this sort of descending fingerpicking pattern that's somewhat complex. So I'll play it at normal speed, and then I'll slow it down for you. And that does it for Landslide. If you're interested in learning a guitar solo, I'll be posting a video for that as well. Just a little bit much to put into one video. Also, if you have any questions like this video, and leave them in the comment section below, I'll be happy to answer them. And as always, keep practicing, and I'll see you next time.